Hello, my name is swissbianco. In this video I will talk about file work on Swiss Army knives. File work is done by Tom Stratton, US artist. As usually for swissbianco, we had a bit trouble in a couple ways in November, starting at November 2015, so we still catch a bit up, and in between we got file work Swiss Army knives from Tom, and they are all on the web shop listed, and that what is on the table is just what is in stock for now. So I did not have the time for make a video, unfortunately, with all the knives that we got from him. That is how that is, as I usually gonna make a video of all of them together, because then they get separated and travel all over the world to collectors. So we're gonna have a look on those knives here. Each file work is different, it's handmade, it's unique. So we just start with the Kelly green ones. I'm not gonna say too much about the model, it's just that you see the different style of file work that Tom Stratton does on it. And it's really beautiful work that he does. Each one is different, as you see. It's not only the different Swiss Army knife, it's the file work as well. So usually by each run that we do 2 per model. This one here is a pruner, so we did 2 Kelly green pruners, and of course each one has different file work on it as well. And then we move over to the second color. That was for Christmas 2015, rose pink. So each one has a number on it. That is the most easy way to tell them apart, and they are listed like that in the swissbianco web shop. Tom Stratton will be also quite likely again be at the Blade Show in June 2016 down in Atlanta. We from swissbianco exhibit there for decades now, and we're gonna be there as well. So if you wanna see his work, we for sure gonna have some of his knives, file work knives, available there too, and Tom could answer some questions as well. That one has a special fluting design, really nicely done. The file work is mainly embellishment. It of course gives a bit traction on the blade backside as well, but it's mainly for looks, for like a Sunday knife, something that is really special, would make also a really good impressive gift with that file work, especially since each one is unique. There is no two that are the same. So that much about the latest file work from Tom Stratton, the Christmas run 2015, Kelly Green and Rose Pink.